Welcome to another video from the ATP Strategies Portfolio series, which today is going to be about my results during the month of July. For those who are new to my channel, let me tell you that this series has the objective of sharing with you the live results of the strategies that were created and tested by me previously on my channel. So far, I created an amazing trading strategy for the cryptocurrency market that has an average annual return close to 100%. And in this series, Building a Winning Trading Strategy Step by Step, you can see everything about it, from the initial steps I took to the full statistical analysis. And then I also created a forex strategy in the series, creating a profitable NNFX forex trading strategy. But since the second one is not fully over yet, during the month of July I only applied my crypto strategy on a live account. If you want to know more about these strategies, including the indicators I use, the risk management criteria and every important trading rule you must follow, I will leave the links for both series in the description. Or you can simply click on the subscribe and like buttons in order to, in a magical way, make appear a recap of this crypto strategy at the end of this video, with all the important things you must know to apply this strategy right away. Amazing, right? And all you need to do is click on two buttons. Another good thing about my strategies is that they can be customizable by you and be fully automated, and that was how I set up this crypto strategy. In this way, I don't have any work besides withdrawing my profits. I applied my strategy on Bybit, as I previously told you, but you can use it on any other exchange or broker you like. And the same applies to the strategy's rules and settings. With my bot, you can test countless options to see which ones fit better to your trading style. So, if you want to know more about my bot, check out this video or check the links that are on the description. So, let's jump now to my trading journal so I can show you all the real results I got with this crypto strategy during the last month. As I told you, I applied this strategy on Bybit using the perpetual contracts trading option, but I remember you that this strategy works on every single type of cryptos or options. Similar to the month of June, I only asked my bot to trade 7 cryptos using a maximum risk per trade of 2%. 5 cryptocurrencies were exactly the same ones I traded during the month of June, which were Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Binance Coin and XRP. And then I traded 2 new ones that I also like a lot, the Chainlink and the Polkadot, and I made this change in order to diversify my risk even more. So I started this live trading account with $10,000, but during the month of June, if you remember, I got a net profit of $3,530, which I didn't withdraw in order to increase my position size in the following month. And so I did, and by looking at the big picture, we can see that the results were again very profitable, because after slippage and commissions, I was able to profit $2,180.18 during the last month. The equity curve was consistent, and despite having only a win rate of 50.85%, my profit factor was high. But let's look into other metrics. Here we can see the values of my gross profit and gross loss, where the commissions were taken into account, which represents a net profit of 21.08%, or an average net profit per crypto of 3%. During the month, my bot took 59 trades, where 30 were profitable and 29 were not. But you can also notice that on average, my profitable trades got a profit much higher than the losses of losing ones. And this happens due to the fact that my exit indicator is very good in taking me out of trades that have a low probability of success. Another important thing to mention, if you didn't see the series and don't understand why I have 118 entries in my trading journal, is that for each valid trade signal my strategy gives, my bot divides the risk into 2 trades, so it can close one of the trades on the take profit one and the other one when my exit criteria are activated. During the last month, the max drawdown I got had a value of 8.24%, and which happened in the final days of July, and my average drawdown had a value of 2.19%. On average, I stayed in trades for about 11 hours, and my biggest winning trade was this one on Chainlink on the 13th of July, where, as you can see, my bot caught this beautiful big upside move that alone got me a net profit of $865, or 8.65%. For the most curious, here you can find the individual results of every crypto I traded, where you can notice that the best performing crypto was Chainlink and the least performing one was the XRP. Overall, this month was very good and more close to an average month than the month of June, because, as I told you, we should expect an average profit per month of about 15 to 16% when applying this strategy in these conditions. And of course, it is important to mention that this profit is only associated with the 7 cryptos I chose to trade this month. If you change the cryptos where you want to apply this strategy, the results might not be the same. But well, these were my results with my crypto strategy during the month of July. I will again not withdraw the profit, as I will want my bot to use it during August to increase the position size of my trades. And the next episode will only come out in September, after I have the final results of August. If you would like to use this trading strategy as well, check out the description of this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and join the official ATP Discord group, which is free. And that's it. Be well. Thank you. Bye bye. As promised, here is the recap of this crypto strategy with everything summarized just for you. This trading strategy was created to be applied in the 2-hour time frame, but it also works on any other time frame. The indicators that I use are the QQEMT4 indicator by Glass with the settings 14, 5 and 4.238. In its style section, you can change the yellow line to a green one, and this indicator is my confirmation indicator, so the indicator that gives me the entry signals. In a minute I will explain how, but first let's insert the other indicators from this strategy. The next one is the Untrend Price DPO by JTrade with a period of 21. In its style section you can change the DPO value from blue to yellow and increase the DPO thickness. And this indicator is my filter indicator, the one that eliminates false entry signals from the QQEMT4. Next we have my volume indicator, which is the Guadalajara explosion. I will use this one here, with the settings 110, 20, 40, 20 and 2. In the style section of this indicator, I will change the color from the explosion line to yellow and turn off the dead zone line. The main function of this volume indicator is to protect me from entering in a sideways market. Finally, I will insert my exit indicator, which is the Tricks by Everget, with the settings 7, 1 and 9 with SMAs. I use this indicator to verify the best time to exit from a trade. For a valid long signal, the QQEMT4 green line has to cross above the red one, the Untrend Price DPO must be above the 0 level, so it needs to be green, and the Guadalajara explosion bar needs to be green and above the explosion line, the yellow one. And for a valid short signal, the QQEMT4 red line has to cross above the green one, the Untrend Price DPO must be under the 0 level, so it needs to be red, and the Guadalajara explosion bar needs to be red and above the explosion line. And these are my entry criteria. For risk management, the ATR indicator is used, with the default settings. The formula to calculate every stop loss is 1.5 times the ATR pip value, and the take profit is calculated based on the formula 1 times the ATR pip value. But be in mind that I only close 50% of the position on this take profit in order to protect my trades earlier. After that, a trailing stop loss is used, which is always 1.5 times the ATR pip value behind the price, and that second part of the position is only closed if the Tricks indicator or the QQEMT4 gives an opposite signal, or if the trailing stop loss is hit. With this method, the second 50% of the position is often closed at the 1 to 1.5 risk-to-reward ratio zone. If you want to know more about my risk management strategy, check out the first episode of this series. And in recap, that's it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.